These sound like so we got new ones. We're not doing that this time. We got speakers. There's a component speaker and a tweeter, and they're gonna go in the component speaker tweeter holes. Totally. I don't want to do anything with the brackets. I want a garage. Tata. Maybe that magnet is reused. I don't know. Let's look at the other tweeters. Well, there's no screw hole in it, so maybe they're not reused. These components are inside heat shrink, so I guess that's good. Does that seem logical to you?
No. And it's thicker, so there's no way the panel would fit securely. We can take a look at the interior of the panel to see if there's enough room, because if it just needs to plug in there, which it already has the cables for, you should be okay. Try twist. Yeah. There you go. Surprised you can't just pull it. Ah! Ha! There you go. Mosquitoes suck. Here you go. Beautiful. I saw some additional hardware. Ah. Simple enough. Oh, yes. Well, that was insanely easy.
There is no compatibility issue in bossing, say.
Well, that was gloriously simple.
Yeah, that was ideal.
That was.
Are other Toyotas just that different? So we could totally just glue it to this. We could just drill new holes in the car.
I mean, honestly.
Okay, maybe not. We're back and we found tools. Capacitor, red side, and... Oh.
Oh, wait.
Oh, we'll just cut those off too.
Yes.
Okay.
Cars are fun.
Driving is the only fun part. I bought the one where I wasn't going to have to do this. On purpose. It doesn't do that. I'm just lucky I actually have the tools to do this.
Just think about how good dinner's gonna taste. Okay, problem 1 solved. Problem 2.
Oh, it was into this.
Mmm.
Ner. I don't know if I can do it with my fingernail or not.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I guess we'll just do it this time and...
Anything else gonna be enough?
I'm praying.
I'll just like that wall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can always beef it up if we find out that it fits.
True.
That should totally work.
Oh,
oh, it's idiot proof.
You can see it in there.
I think that means it's an installed speaker.
Now we just have to do that one.
No, we don't. It's over. It's over. We had dinner. It's dark. It's a car.
Nice first try. And now we glue.
Oh my god, that shit hardens instantly. They both work.
Hey!
Not crack or anything, it's foreign to me.
Congrats! Good job, Bob.